So this is for second grade lesson, or module 8, lesson 3. Lesson 3. You're subtracting two-digit numbers and decomposing tens. Decomposing means that you're taking a 10 and you're breaking it apart. So we already know that 10 ones makes 1 10. What they're doing here, they're showing you, is they are taking apart a tens block and making into 10 ones. So if you can compare the two parts from the first letter A problem, it's showing you that there's 3 tens here and there's 4 ones, 34. They take one of these tens, they break it apart, so they take one and they say, okay, we don't want it to be a tens block anymore, we're going to change it to 10 ones instead, because like we've talked about before, we cannot take away from a smaller number. So here they have 34, and they're saying that 4, take away 8 from it. If I have 4 and suddenly I need to take away 8 from 4, I can't do that. So what they're saying is, okay, we're gonna borrow then. We're gonna take from our neighbor, from the tens place, we're gonna take 1 10 and we're gonna break it up into 10 ones. If I can get this to work. Okay. Sorry. I'm not sure what happened. Okay. So we've got 3 tens and 4 ones, and then we break it apart, and suddenly we have 2 tens because if we take away 1 out of 3, 3 take away 1, we've got 2. So there's 2 left, and instead of 4 ones, we have 14 ones because we took 1 10 and we broke it up into 10 ones, and we still have the other ones left over, so 10 plus 4 is 14. They want us to take away 8. So before we couldn't take away our 8 from the 4, now we have 14, and we can definitely do that. 14 take away 8. So what you can do is take your ones and cross out each one as you count back 8 times. So I have 14, so I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I just count to see how many is left for my answer. So left I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 ones, and then I have my 2 tens. So 26 would be my answer. Here, they want you to just break it apart and show them that you know that you have 2 tens. There are 2 tens. You have 6 ones. Then you're gonna say blank and blank is your answer. So you look at your 2 tens. 2 tens makes 20. And 6, you just pull down that 6, is 26. You are going to do that on B for this page, and then on the next page, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to break apart, and they do it for you. You're going to break apart your tens to make 10 ones so that you can subtract, because that little number comes first. You can't have a little number come first. It has to be a big number. So whenever you see a little ones place value, you can't take out your larger number from that, okay? So go ahead and do that. If you need to review, rewind this video because I'm not there for you, and do it again.